Hello guys, this is Jose from FreeStyle USB cable. I'm doing this quick tutorial video on how to install, how to pair the FreeStyle Freedom Lite meter, how to make it work with the FreeStyle USB data cable. Want to show you guys how to make this work with the software called sidiary. The cable in the meter also will work with Copilot Abbott Copilot software. I'll leave the link in the description of that software, and I'll also leave the link on the description of the software sidiary. I've already done a video on how it works with Abbott Copilot. Today this video will be on how it works with sidiary. Again, what I have in my hand here is the USB FreeStyle USB data cable, and I also have the meter FreeStyle Freedom Lite. I will leave the link in the description to this meter as well. Let's go ahead and open up the unbox the meter. This meter is brand new. I purchased it from Amazon. I also got the cable from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description to that as well. As far as today, what we will be doing is we will be pairing the meter to work with the cable with the software called sidiary. We will be going on the internet. We are going to download the software. We're going to download one of the drivers that I know is necessary to make it work. I'm using Windows 7. Now this will work. I'm sorry, I'm using Windows 10. I am using Windows 10. This will work with Windows 7 through Windows 10. It is proven and tested to work on Abbott Copilot software and sidiary. Today I'll be showing you guys how to use it with sidiary with the Freedom Lite, FreeStyle Freedom Lite meter. Again, this is the meter here. So once you plug in the meter, once you plug in the 2.5 millimeter on the head of the meter, your meter should read PC. You see that? Your meter should read PC. That is a good sign when it's when it reads PC. You will then hook the other USB port to your PC, your CPU, however you guys want to call that. So in just a couple seconds I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys, and we will go on to the internet. We're going to download the software, and in this video I'm just going to show you guys how to pair it to work, and then in another video I will be showing you guys, I'll be taking a blood sample as well myself, and we will be uploading my readings up to the sidiary software to see how that shows up on the software. So let's go over. We're going to be I'm going to be sharing my screen. Again, I will leave the link in the description of the meter and of the cable. I will also leave the link in the description to the software Abbott Copilot and the one for sidiary. This video is on how it works with sidiary. So let's go over on to the I'll share my screen with you guys, and we're going to the internet, and we're going to download the software. Okay, here we are guys. We are at my PC right now. So we will be going to the internet right now, and we will be downloading the software sidiary to get your glucose meter, your glucose readings up to the internet from the FreeStyle Freedom Lite meter. We're going to be using the FreeStyle data cable to install the meter with the cable to work with the sidiary software. So let's go over to download the software now. Let me get the link from here. I will leave this link I will leave this link in the description of the video. I will also leave the link to a video on how to set the time on the meter, on how to set the meter properly, how to set the time, because if you don't set the time, it'll actually tell you that you need to set the time on your meter before you begin to use it on any type of way, even if you're going to use it with the FreeStyle data cable. So let's go over to the internet. Hope you guys are seeing my screen. We're going to download the software here, which is pretty simple. Let's go ahead and click OK here. Now I need you guys to go to where it says sidiary. Come down to where it says Windows PC. Come all the way down to the bottom of the page. Now I need you to click here to download. Okay, and then you're going to go here and you're going to go press the one that says English Setup. That's the one I need you to guys click on. Now while that's downloading, go ahead and go over here to where it says download. Go ahead and click on the one that says USB drivers. Now I need you guys to go to the one that says Abbott, and you're going to click download. I'm not going to download this again because I've already done it. I've already downloaded this driver. I have a few of them here that I've downloaded them. So back again to recap here real quick. You're going to go to sidiary, Windows PC. I'm going to go all the way down, bottom of the page. I'm going to click here, and then you're going to click the English one. Right after that, you have this here, which is still downloading. Now I'm running on Windows 10 on this computer. I'm running on Windows 10. It works on 7, 8, and 10. I'm pretty sure it works on 7, 8, and 10. I have tested this to work on all these Windows. It also works with Abbott Copilot software. I will leave the link in the description to that. I've already done a video, like I said at the beginning of the video. I've already done a video on how it works with Copilot, and I am now doing this video on sidiary, on how it works with sidiary. So let's go and click the if you don't see this here on your computer, for example, you will have to click on your folder here, goes to where it says download, and then you will see the icon here of the setup. I've already downloaded it once, so I'm gonna go ahead and click over here. It should start the download process of the software. I think I already have this. I have this software already installed, so it's just gonna take me to the same thing. So I'm just gonna push remove and click here to install. I'm just reinstalling the whole thing again because I wanted to show you guys the process on how it works, on how to download it. So it's telling me that there is a problem with mine because I already have it. I already have it on my computer. Let me see if I can go out and find it. I put it in here because I wanted, for the purpose of this video, I wanted to show you guys how it works. So let me get it out of here. Once you download it and you go to the steps that I just showed you guys, you're gonna have an icon just like this. Once you get this icon, all you gotta do is you gotta click on that icon and it should open up for you. There it is. So once you're here, it's going to, once you plug in the cable, now I got the cable, I got my USB, FreeStyle USB data cable. I got it hooked on to my PC here at the bottom. Now I'm going to hook up the 2.5 millimeter up to the head of my meter. My meter is reading PC. It should read PC. If it doesn't read PC, something's wrong with the cable. So I will leave the link in the description to this meter, and like I said earlier, I will leave the link in the description to the FreeStyle data cable as well. Now when you first hook on the USB to your PC, you're gonna download the driver. There's another driver that you have to download. So you go ahead and click here. You will have to just download this driver here. And my computer is working for the FreeStyle USB data cable. It's working on COM port number 3. I don't know if it's going to be the same thing for your computer. Maybe you have other things working on COM port. For example, if you plugged in a USB drive, it's going to occupy a COM port. So when you hook up the cable, you might be on COM port number 5, 6, 7, I don't know. I'm on number 3. So I'm gonna put number 3 here because that's my COM port. So let's go ahead and click next. Now if I click here, it's not gonna work because this is a new meter. Import all readings from the device. I don't have any readings here archived in this meter because I just purchased this meter. This is a brand new meter. The cable is brand new as well. So this is I'm starting everything. I'm doing everything from scratch here. Now I want to show you guys exactly how it's gonna come up. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work because I don't have any readings on this meter. It's kind of loading up now. There we go. It cannot read any data from your device. So now if I put import new readings only, it's going to work. It's going to work because it's going to search for any new type of readings. Remember, you have to set the time and date on this meter before you use it. I'm going to leave the link to a video to where it's going to show you how to set the time, the year, and all that good stuff on the meter. So let's go ahead and put import new readings now. Import data. I'm pretty sure it's going to work now. And I'll show you guys the screen that is going to come up when you first starting up with a fresh meter. Once you put your blood sample, you should see something here that says new data found, new data records found. It's not showing anything right now for me because I haven't set up a blood strip on my meter. Now, like I said, this video is just going to be a tutorial video on how to set this up. I will be making another video on how to upload my own samples, my own readings up to the sidiary software. So it says no newer records found because I haven't put any strips on the meter. Now you see where it says copy records to the logbook. If you had any readings here, this would be lit up. And then you would press accept. Once you press accept, you're going to be, your page is going to look something just similar to this. It's going to look something very, very similar to this. It's actually something like this. So once you put your samples, your blood sample, once you put your blood sample, you're going to come up over here. You're going to look for the right meter. Again, actually this is the first step. You're going to look for the first meter, Abbott FreeStyle Freedom Lite. Remember, you have to choose the right meter from the list. If you don't see your meter, you have to click on find, and you have to just put the first words of the meter. Now the meter that we have is Abbott FreeStyle Freedom Lite, so that's the meter that I'm going to click on. Now I'm on port 3 again, so I'm gonna press number 3. I'm gonna hit next, and I'm gonna import new readings only. Import new readings only. It's loading up again. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. it's not going to show any results because I have not added any blood samples to my meter yet. That would be in a later video that I would do that. But this is proof that it actually works perfect on sidiary software. If I had blood samples, copy new records to logbook, this would be lit up. I would just press accept, and it'll bring you to this page here where you will see your results. Again, this is Jose from FreeStyle USB cable, showing you guys how to make it work with sidiary. Thank you for watching this video, and I really hope that this video helps you out on how to make this cable work. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. I will leave the link in the description to the Amazon store to where you can get the cable. I will also leave the link in the description to the meter, sidiary software, Avid Copilot software, and I will also leave a link to a video on YouTube where you will learn how to set the time and date on the meter, because you will need to set the time and date on the meter. Again, thank you for watching this video.